Hello, how is everyone doing? Today, I'm going to show you how to change the voice of the Google Assistant on your Android phone. To begin, access the Google Assistant by either pressing the corresponding button on your phone or simply saying, "Hey Google." Once the Google Assistant is activated, tell it, "I want to change your voice," to listen to and choose from various voice options. If you want to hear all the available voices, press Assistant Voice below. You can say, "Change your voice," or tap on Assistant Voice, represented by a gear icon, to open the voice selection window. There are 3 types of voices available for assigning to your Google Assistant. The default voice is highlighted in red, and you can listen to it by tapping on it. To listen to the other voice, tap on the next circle. In my case, I'll select the second voice, which I prefer. Tap again to stop the voice. Now, we simply need to go back and ask Google to say something to hear its new voice. That's how you can change the voice of the Google Assistant on your Android phone easily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!